Qingdao Shijie Fashion Accessories Company Limited, established in 2011, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of fashion jewelry like necklace, earrings, bracelet, and ring. We are located in Qingdao with convenient transportation access. It's about 10 minutes from the Luoting Airport. Dedicated to quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of equipment, including casting and polishing machine. In addition, we have obtained BV certificates. Our products are exported to clients in such countries and regions as USA and Europe. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.